Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin seems to have a bit of a end of the week rally here, but you know, nothing happens at the moment that we haven't really talked about. The resistances haven't broken, and even if the imminent resistance breaks, then we have our alternative count very well defined. They are both part of the same scenario though. You know that we've got here the area. So first of all, yeah, we're looking at this move to the downside still as an ABC structure. Now, the question is, has the B wave finished or not? As explained in last videos, it needs to really break below 29,560 to confirm that the B wave topped last Thursday. The B wave of the wave 2 correction. Until we do that, technically, it could still rally in a larger B wave. Basically, this B wave will sit here, yeah, in a more complex correction. That seems more achievable on the Bitcoin chart than it is on the Ethereum chart. But at the moment, it's still not, it still hasn't rallied to a degree that I would make this, that it would make this wave 2 completely unreliable, because it's still holding below 30,241. That's a 78.6 retracement of the move down that started here on the 20th of July on Thursday. So my idea is still, as long as we stay below that level, we are already in the C wave, okay? Targeting roughly here this area, but I would need to redo that again. But I won't do that until I have a top in place here. But roughly into the region around 28.5K for the third wave. But if it breaks higher than that, then we are escalating, and it starts to look a bit impulsive, then we start escalating in a B wave. But I can't tell until it breaks above 30,241. Now, what are the next resistances above 30,240? So we have 30,420, 30,690, 30,960, and 31,350. So because stuff like that always happens until we have a breakdown, I did already accumulate a little bit on the way down, and if it goes higher in the B wave, I will scale out again. So this is stuff that always happens. A high B wave can happen. We all love B waves, you know that. I warned about B waves. They can be long, they can be short, they can be complex. So let's see. I mean, the level is clearly defined. 30,240 needs to hold for this to be a reliable wave 2. Above that, I will start to favor it's a B wave. But regardless, in both scenarios, I don't assume at this stage that the overall wave 2 already finished. Yeah, and that we're already rallying in a third wave. That would be a bit too bullish, but you know that we are bullish on Bitcoin. It would just go earlier than I would personally anticipate it. It can always happen. Yeah, we talked about direct breakouts in a third wave, but I just need to be careful not to talk about that just because when we see a 1% price increase, right? So yeah, it's obviously, you know, first of all, we are I have no evidence at all that the overall low has already been made on the Bitcoin chart. Yeah, we just need to be very, very clear about that. So be aware. The fib levels are very well defined, and if this is a higher B wave, I mean, I gave you the resistances for a high B wave, but we can also look at it in terms of Fibonacci extensions. So if I take the height of that wave, go to the low, and then we're looking for the 100% extension is the first relevant target. That's 30,460. That overlaps with the 38.2 fib retracement, roughly at 30,420. And then we've got the 1.618 extension at 31K. That overlaps with the golden ratio pretty much. So yeah, these are the two main levels of interest. But at the moment, first of all, it would need to break above resistance anyway. And until that's done, I assume that this is a wave 2. But a high B wave is also a likely option. Just regardless, in both scenarios, I would still like to see lower into the yellow support area. It was worth to be patient so far on this chart, and we continue to be patient. Yeah, let's see. Expect a lot of volatility next week anyway, due to the Fed interest rate decision, yeah, and some potential distortions ahead of that. Yeah, it's obviously always a bit difficult to say something about a move while it's already happening, right? And you see the video with a delay. Yeah, I think the levels of interest, the targets are very much clear. I would prefer a downturn from here, just when everybody gets too bullish, but we'll see. I mean, either way, B waves can be very tricky. We discussed that at length. So they can be complex, they can be long, they can trick people out. That's why I warned about a B wave this week. Let's see. I mean, at the moment, for me, it still looks a bit like, okay, we are still coming down in the C wave. I mean, I would expect that anyway. The question is just, has the B wave topped, or do we get a bit of a higher B wave? Okay, but certainly not yet impulsive. If I let you, if I see anything, I will let you know. I'll probably do another update video later anyway, and I will always update on Telegram and Discord. Okay, that's my update about Bitcoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.